Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So this particular video is regarding an online internship organized by IIT Indore. Now if you recall, few weeks back I have uploaded a video regarding online internship for undergraduate student. Now this is an online internship for postgraduate students. Okay, so those who have completed their postgraduates and those who are preparing for exam, or let's say they are waiting for getting some admission and they want to utilize their time, they can join this internship. In case if you have not watched that video for the internship of undergraduate student, here's the link of that in the I button. You can click over there and you can watch that video, right? So if you are a postgraduate student, that means if you have qualified your masters, or if you are in final year of your masters and you want to utilize the time, you want to join some internship, you can do that through this particular process, right? Now the thing is that this internship is a paid internship, means you have to pay a certain amount to undergo this particular internship, because the supervisor is going to, the mentor is going to give his time, and the other online like arrangements will be made. So for that you have to pay a amount of 3000 rupees. Okay, so that's the amount for it. And this internship is for everyone. It is for life sciences student, it is for chemistry student, it is for engineering students, for humanities students. So it is for all the subjects. So like in the all my previous videos I used to get different comments regarding that sir, please make a video for physics or for life sciences, for biology. So here it is. Okay, so this internship is for all of you. So I'll discuss about everything in detail. I'll discuss about how you can apply, what is the process, everything we will do in detail. And before going into that, if you are new to this channel and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do consider subscribing it. And without wasting any time, let's continue with our video now. Alright, so the process for joining this online internship is pretty simple, and it's pretty same as what you were having for the undergraduate students, right? So it's pretty similar, and that's what it is going to be. So I'll just tell you quickly. So this is an online internship for postgraduate student, and a list of faculty mentors is given over here. So first of all, you have to choose a particular faculty mentor. Okay, so I'll show you. I'll just show you that how you have to do that. So I'll just click on this link and a list of faculty mentor is opened over here. Now you can see Department of Astronomy, Astrophysics and Space Engineering. If you belong to this particular department, you have to choose a supervisor under this category. Then if you belong to Biosciences or Biomedical Engineering, choose anyone among these two supervisors. And if you belong to Chemistry, you have three options: Dr. Sampak Samanta, Dr. Chelvam Venkatesh and Dr. Apurva K. Das. So these are three supervisors over here, and see that like in front of every supervisor there are certain like topics, right? So in front of, let's say, Dr. Sampak Samanta, you have three topics like organocatalytic asymmetric transmissions, then domino approaches to heterocyclic synthesis, spectroscopic techniques, that is IR, NMR, MS, etc., for the characterization of organic molecule. Now this is a very important topic, right? If you do an internship or if you go in particular detail of this topic, that is going to help you in your research career. Same goes for other topics as well. If you go for Dr. Shelvam Venkatesh, under him also there are different topics, and these are also very important topics like designing synthesis and diagnostic application of new targeting ligands for the cancer and inflammatory diseases. So these are some very important topics. You can check it out, you can match with your interest. If any of the topic matches with your interest, so I'll tell you what you have to do next. Okay, so first step is to choose a particular supervisor and choose a particular topic which you want to go. Same goes for civil engineering, same goes for your computer sciences and engineering, same goes for electrical engineering. So these are different topics. You can see Department of Mathematics also has like option over here, then Department of Physics also. So if you belong to physics, again you can choose any of the supervisor. Topics are given against their names. So that's how it is. Okay, so Center for Rural Development and Technology, that is also over here. So these are your this is the first step. You have to choose a supervisor and you have to choose the topic. Now once you have done that, okay, so that is the first step. Now you have to take a consent from that supervisor. So for that you have to mail to that particular supervisor. So let's say if you have chosen any of the supervisor, you have to mail to that particular person. Okay, now if you click on his name over here, let's say I belong to chemistry and I want to join Dr. Samanta's lab, so I have to click on it and I'll be taken to this page of his. Now I have to copy his email address from here and I have to mail to him. Okay, what you have to mail? You have to mail him that you want to join internship under him, and you have to tell your topic of interest. Then he is going to basically tell you that whether he is interested to take you or not. So his consent is very important. Okay, so you have to take his consent. Okay, so that's the first thing which you have to do. Okay, so consent is really very important, so make sure that you get that. Okay, so if he replies in your mail that yes, he is interested to do that, or he tells you that yes, you can proceed and take admission, then you have got your consent. Okay, then you have to go for the next step. Now certain more things which are given over here, that IIT Indore faculty will interact to the students through online mode, that is except Zoom, they are going to interact with you through some other online modes. They are going to tell you what those modes are going to be. Scope of training and number of contact hours can be decided with a mutual consent of faculty, mentor and the postgraduate student. So when you have to interact, how much time you have to interact, all other things you and the supervisor or you and the mentor are going to decide. Duration of this particular internship is minimum 1 month and maximum 1 year. It depends upon you and your work, how much time you want to learn it or how much time you want to give to that internship to learn those things. Depending upon that, you can do. Fees is rupees 3000 per month. So you have to pay 3000 for each month you want to extend your internship for. Okay, so in case if you have joined for just 1 month, so you have to pay 3000. For 2 months, 3 months, you have to just multiply the amount as it is. There is no last date for this application, so you can apply for it anytime, but make sure that, because right now you are not having your exams, you are not having your CSR net exam nearby, so you can utilize this time to get a certificate, to get some knowledge, not only certificate but also some knowledge. Okay, so by joining this internship you will get to learn new things and you can explore that in your research further. So that's a very important thing. A selection procedure: the prospective postgraduate student has to be directly contact with the faculty mentor, as I told you, of the IIT Indore through email and get a written consent for the online internship. As I told you, you have to just mail him and he is going to give you the consent through his mail. Now after receiving the written consent, the postgraduate student can then fill the application form. So after getting the consent, you have to click on this to get the application form, and then you have to pay the fee. Both the things you have to do. Let me tell you how to fill it. Okay, so once you click on this application form, you will be taken to this particular word file. You have to edit this word file. You have to fill all these things: your name, department, which degree you are pursuing and current semester, your institute in which you are currently studying, your pin code, your address, your mobile number, email ID, date of birth, gender, and then you have to fill the faculty mentor name whom you have selected, and then you have to fill the area of online internship, the topic which I told you in the starting. You have to select, right, supervisor and the topic, so that you have to fill here. Then the duration, from which date you want to start your internship, that you and your mentor are going to tell you. Okay, so you have to ask your mentor that from which date my internship will start, so that I can fill it in the application form. He is going to tell you, so fill that date. And then registration fees. Okay, online registration fees is 3000, so just fill 3000, or depending upon, if you are taking for 2 months, it will be 6000, so fill that particular amount. And then payment details. Okay, so those things you have to fill. Payment details, in that you have to fill the the transaction ID, that's all. Okay, and a list of document which you have to assign, which you have to attach along with it, is your passport size photograph, your institute college identity card, your online payment fees receipt, and the faculty mentor research, written consent, that means his mail, whatever mail he has given to you. Then place date and signature of the student, that's all. So this application will be filled, this application form, and you have to basically pay the fee. So for paying the fee, you have to click on this particular link here, pay the fees, and you will be taken to this page where you have to fill your name, your contact number, email address, faculty mentor name, discipline, amount, remarks, and then you can pay the money by your debit card, credit card, anywhere, right? So this is the process. So once you pay the fee, once you join it, that's how this particular internship is going to be. So this is all about it. Now where you have to send all these things, all these documents. Okay, so you have to send all these documents. Okay, so the postgraduate student are requested to please fill the detail in the email, and email the duly signed application form, faculty mentor consent along with the required documents to this email ID. Okay, so dorgoffice@iiti.ac.in. So on this particular email ID, you have to send all the documents. Okay, the application form, the consent letter, and then all the required documents which are over here, right? So all these things you have to send to this particular email ID, and once you will be done, your internship will start. Now the previous internship which I was talking about, the undergraduate internship, a lot of students have joined that and they got benefit of it. So if you are also interested in it, you can join this particular internship and take out the benefit of this, right? So this internship is for all the students belonging to different fields. uh, that's all for this video. I hope the things are much clear to you. I tried to explain it in more detail so that you don't have any doubts after watching this video. All right, so that's all from my side for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.